Dr. Jason Worrall with Active Health TV, guys. Now you've seen me post a lot of videos on extremity adjusting, and what we're going to be doing is bringing an extremity adjusting seminar to Southern California, sunny Southern California. Coming up in the next few months, we're going to be doing it hands, elbows, shoulders, feet, ankles, everything that you need to know. Muscle imbalances, how to fix the muscles, how to fix the feet. You guys stay tuned, watch the videos. There's going to be a sign-up form online soon. It's going to be amazing. I'm going to be there teaching and mentoring you with adjustments and how to get that movement. We're going to have a special bonus session afterwards. Dr. Jason Worrall, Active Health TV, here for you.